Digital Business Immersive course was created based on our 3 C's framework: create, connect, and convert. The create phase is where we work on the business model. We created our social media channels, the e-commerce websites, and we work with our assets like images and videos. The connect phase is where we work on traffic based on the push and pull methods. Connecting means first understanding the ideal customer and then connecting with them to create engagement, traffic, and sales. Last but not least, the convert part is where we define, analyze, and measure our KPIs, and we understood how to scale our business.
To achieve the objective of this course, the students created a whole set of digital assets, such as an online store, an Instagram account, a Facebook fan page, and ad campaigns to drive traffic from the social platforms to the online store with the objective of generating sales.
And the first thing we need to do is we need to have sales. Just by building an entire private group area outside of Facebook for you instead of just going on autopilot.
So I like the course very much because it gave us the opportunity to learn the topics in classes, but then also to apply them hands-on on a specific product that we have to, for which we have to improve the marketing through the social networks.
We create the page book, store, Facebook, group, everything, Instagram. We're doing everything on a real life.
Yeah, I think the workshops were a very important part of it, because as soon as you can do it yourself, you can also internalize what you've heard before. So yeah, I do think they were a great element and I would not leave them out.
And it's amazing, in 3-4 days you build up your store, you make the news, you make posts and really connect with the web and with the networks and get revenues, get actually maybe sales. So that's amazing.